Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about something that is very important in real PCB projects and also in exams. How to properly set up the default PCB design rules. First, let's look at where to find this feature. In EasyEDA, go to the top menu bar, click on Design. And then select Design Rules. Once you open it, you'll see the Design Rule Manager window. This window is basically the core control center of all PCB rules. On the left side, you'll find a complete list of rule categories, such as clearance, trace width, wheel size, and couple-related rules. All of these settings directly affect whether you can route your board smoothly and whether your DRC check will pass or fail. During routing, it's very common to adjust these parameters, so they better match the requirements of your current board. But what if you don't want to redo all these settings every time you start a new PCB project? This is where a very useful option comes in. At the bottom of left corner of the rule window, you will see an option called Set as New PCB Default Config. A lot of people overlook this button, but it's actually extremely helpful. Once you set the current rule as the default, every new PCB project you create will automatically inherit these settings. This means you don't have to reset trace width, wheels, and clearance every time, which is especially useful for serial project or exam environments. If this is your first time working on a board, I strongly recommend checking all design rules at the very beginning. That includes minimum trace width, minimum clearance, wheel size, and the distance from couple to the board outline. Make sure everything is correct before you start placement and routing. By doing this, when you run the DRC check later, you won't suddenly be flooded with errors and forced to redo a lot of work. So let's quickly summarize. First, open the design rule and review or adjust all the key parameters. Second, once they meet your project or exam requirements, don't forget to set them as default for new PCB. And finally, start your actual PCB design. That's all for this lesson. If you build the habit of checking your design rule before you start routing, you'll save yourself a lot of time and trouble later on. See you in the next lesson.